I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by exposing the screw and stabilizing the workpiece. That reduces slippage and prevents damage. Choose a screwdriver that fills the slot, 2 small strips, 2 large slides. If the head is recessed, remove nearby panels or use a thin blade to access it. Once your tool fits snugly, press down firmly to increase contact and reduce cam out. Make sure to keep your wrist aligned with the blade so force goes straight into turning rather than levering. If the screw won't turn, treat seized threads with penetrating oil. Let it soak so the lubricant migrates into the joint. Then tap the screwdriver handle with a hammer to jar corrosion loose. Small shocks often free the screw. If that fails, use controlled heat to expand surrounding metal slightly, or switch to an impact driver to convert blows into turning force without stripping the slot. Remember, increase leverage gradually. Sudden big force risks head damage or wrenching the workpiece. With the screw loosened, keep steady axial pressure and turn slowly to extract it cleanly. Rapid jerks can shear the head. If the slot is rounded, press a rubber pad into the head for extra grip, or use a screw extractor or cut a new slot with a Dremel to regain purchase. Once removed, clean threads with a brush and apply anti-seize or thread locker as appropriate so future removal is easier. Troubleshooting tip: if extraction stalls, stop and reassess. Continued force can break the screw.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.